An important part of using professional beauty and barber scissors on a day-to-day basis is caring for them properly. And over the course of several videos, I want to dig into or share the information you need to know to take really good care of your moneymakers, of your rock, paper, shears. And the rule here is, every scissor, every client, every time. It's about establishing good care and maintenance habits that will serve you your entire career and will help you take good care of tools that help you take good care of customers. So, number one, when you finish a client, you want to brush off or remove any hair anywhere around the blades or the pivot screw area. Little pieces of hair in between the screw mechanism is like sand and gravel. It's going to make it harder to open and close the scissors. It's going to wear the scissors prematurely. It's going to cause the scissors to not really work as smoothly as they should. So number one, brush off any hair. We also give you a little polishing cloth with your scissors that can be used to carefully and gently wipe the blades to remove hair, excess oil from the scissors. You want to properly lubricate the scissors. Using your oil pen with the scissors open, apply 1 drop of oil on either side of the pivot screw mechanism and then open and close the scissors a couple of times. That'll walk or work the oil between the blades at what we call the ride area. There's more detail and information on that on the video about what are the parts of your scissors. But applying that little bit of oil to the ride area, opening and closing the scissors a few times to work it through is fundamental to keep a scissor properly lubricated. Now, not enough oil is not good. Too much oil can be just as bad. Too much oil will encourage the accumulation of dust, dirt, and hair clippings in and around the pivot screw mechanism. That can be as bad in terms of wear and tear on your tool as not enough oil in the first place. So just a couple of drops, work it through, work it in, and using a clean towel, wipe up any excess oil anywhere around the blade area. That scissor is now properly lubricated for proper use. Every time you're done with a client, clean it off, wipe it up, sanitize it. Details on sanitizing in a separate video, but oiling the scissors is fundamental for long-term life. And then put the scissors away in the case safely and securely. That's how to properly oil your rock, paper, shears.